Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money on Pinterest without a blog as a complete beginner. As you can see right here, I'm currently on Pinterest, and this page with only 172 followers is able to get 101,000 views every month. With the offer that I'm about to show you and how you can start making money with Pinterest, if you were to get 100,000 views per month, and let's say 3% of those converted to the offer that I'm about to show you, that would work out to 3,000 views. And with, let's say you make $2 per view, you're able to garner $6,000 every month doing this. How can you do this? Well, first you can sign up to Pinterest, which, as you may know, is completely free and easy to do. You can do that with your email address. Once you have signed up to Pinterest, you are going to also sign up with CPA Grip. I recommend that you go onto CPA Grip. It's a cost per action marketplace, so you'll be getting paid for persons to simply enter sweepstakes or enter their name and phone number or their name and email address. By them simply doing that, you'll be able to earn anywhere from, as you can see here, $64 to up to $29,000 per month doing this, depending on the amount of traffic that you get. And again, to sign up to CPA Grip is quick and easy. All you'll need is your email address and some basic information, and it's completely free. So now that you have signed up to Pinterest and you have also signed up to CPA Grip, you're going to come onto CPA Grip right here, and you're going to tap on Offer Tools. Then you're going to select My Offers. After you have selected My Offers, I'm going to recommend that you do the same thing. You target the same audience that this person is currently targeting. So as you can see, they're currently doing free giveaway. So they are recommending the free giveaway of an iPhone. You can find these offers on CPA Grip. So once you come onto CPA Grip, you can choose a country. I would recommend that you choose either United States or countries in Europe, as those tend to pay a bit more. So you'll simply select United States, then you can go to category and you can choose the type of offers that you want, and again you'll be choosing giveaways. After you have done that and you have chosen giveaways and you have choose the offer that you want, you can simply go onto canva.com, and canva.com is a next free platform that is quick and easy to sign up with. Now you're going to use Canva to create your pins to post on Pinterest. Once you have created your account on Canva, you're going to simply tap on social media. Then you're going to search for Pinterest pin, and you're going to tap right here. And you're going to use free photos from google.com. For example, let's say you want to create this right here that they are using with the 3 iPhones for a free giveaway. You can find those on google.com, and from there you can create your pin. Once you have created your pin, you will upload it to Pinterest, and you can use a similar heading and wording just like this one right here to start getting some clicks. And I'll also recommend that you use hashtags just like you would use on any other social media platform to get discovered. Now, after you have done all of that, and now you have signed up to Pinterest, signed up to CPA Grip, and you have created that, how are you going to target your audience to your CPA offer? Well, you can see that this person is using t.me, which is not a blog. It's simply a Telegram link, and you can see right here. Some people tend to also use medium.com, and with medium.com, that's a website that you can go on to post stuff. So you could create a page with your CPA offers for completely free. And if in the future you decide that you would like to create a blog, I have videos on this channel that show you how to create blogs for completely free. And that's it. By persons simply tapping on your link and going onto it and filling out the basic information, which most of the time is asking for their name and email address. As you can see right there, I tapped on their link, and the only thing it is asking for is their email address and shipping address and some basic information. You're simply filling out a survey, and you'll click right here. By doing that, this person is earning anywhere from $3 to $5 per person that does that. And there are numerous persons on Pinterest that are currently doing this. As you can see right here, free iPhone giveaway. This person is getting over 40,000 monthly views. And you can see their page right there. Again, you can create even better looking pins than this, so you'll be getting a lot more clicks. And again, here's another example, win iPhone giveaway. This person is getting over 7,000 monthly views. So this is it. This is one of the best ways to make money online and to make money with Pinterest as a complete beginner. Hope you found this video helpful and you can start making money online definitely doing this.